Some days you wake up and your body feels heavy, not in a bad way, just in that soft, quiet kind of tired, the kind where movement feels too far away and the world asks for more than you have to give. This flow is for those days, for the slow mornings, the rainy afternoons, the moments when you want to move, but only a little, enough to breathe, enough to feel, enough to remind yourself that rest is also movement. So start wherever you are. You can stay on your mat, your bed, even the couch. Let's begin with a long, easy reach. Arms stretching overhead as if you are just waking from a dream. Feel your ribs expand, your shoulders release, and your breath deepening. Soft, unhurried. Now, melt into a side stretch. Let your body curve like a wave. Spilling gently from one side to the other. no rush, no effort, just the rhythm of breath and gravity doing the work for you. Roll your shoulders back, open your chest, let a sigh fall from your lips. This isn't about doing more, it's about feeling more, about noticing how your body heals quietly beneath the stillness. As you fold forward, let go of every thought that tells you you should be doing something else. You are doing enough. Take one last deep breath in through your nose, out through your mouth, and let your whole body soften like sunlight melting into the skin of the ocean. Today, you didn't push, you flowed, and that's more than enough. If this practice supported you, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you all another time. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice day.